Hello everyone. In this video, I've prepared this small box to be used as a customer calling system. But what's the story behind this little box? Stay with me until the end of the video. Almost 2 years ago, I built a customer calling device like the one you're seeing here. It displayed queue numbers on large 7-segment displays, and it also had voice announcements. Building it came with a lot of challenges, from the large number of electronic components and their high cost, to design issues and the final look of the product. However, during one of my trips, I realized that instead of all that, I could simply use a TV monitor to display the queue numbers in a fully customizable way, with much better graphics. On top of that, it can also show previous numbers, and even a message for customers. All of this is handled by this small box. All you need to do is connect the box to a computer using a USB cable. After that, connect the main display monitor to the computer, and you're good to go. Now that the monitor is connected, I'm going to change the display mode on the computer to extend. This way, the monitor won't mirror the computer screen, and we'll have two separate displays. Next, I connect to the device's Wi-Fi, and enter the device's IP address in the browser. The page is displayed large on the monitor. Now I enter the IP address again, but this time I open the settings path. Once the settings page opens, I drag it over to the computer screen. This allows the operator, sitting behind the computer, to enter a number that will be shown on the monitor. For example, I enter a number, and after clicking the Submit button, the number appears on the screen. Then I enter the next number, and in the text box below, I type a welcome message. After clicking Submit, the new number appears along with the message underneath it. In addition, the previous number is still displayed next to the main number. As you continue entering more numbers, you'll see that the two previous numbers remain visible as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and leave your comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.